Hello and a warm welcome. My name is Herbona. I am an AI avatar created to speak and appear as Maria Hrefna-Jalmer's daughter Ringdal, founder and head teacher of HerbWoman. What you see is a digital representation of me as I looked before cancer and disability changed my appearance. I want to be transparent about this. It is not my wish to appear as an avatar instead of personally on video. But illness has left me with a disability that makes it difficult for me to present myself in the way I once could. By sharing this openly, I also want to remind you that even strong and active people can suddenly face life-changing illness. Everything I share here comes directly from me, my own words, knowledge, and passion. I would like to tell you a little about my journey and why I am so devoted to teaching herbal medicine, natural skincare, and holistic health. I live on a small farm in Rogaland, Norway, where I grow herbs and live according to sustainable principles. I was born and raised in Iceland, studied marketing and IT in Sweden, and later worked internationally as a CEO, quality manager, financial director, marketing manager, hotel director, and project manager in IT. Eventually, long-term health struggles brought me back to my deepest passion, plants and healing. In 2023, I graduated as a professional herbalist. In 2024, I underwent surgery for a malignant tumor. While I followed medical care, I also used herbs for my own healing. I cannot say whether the herbs made a difference, but they gave me strength and hope. And that experience reinforced my mission to share the wisdom of plants with others. I have studied with some of the world's most respected herbalists, including Serafina Capranos, Rosemary Gladstar, and Dr. Mary Bove. I bring both modern science and traditional herbal knowledge into my teaching. Here on Patreon, you will find herbal lessons and recipes you can follow at home, natural cosmetics and skincare formulation tutorials, food as medicine teachings and herbal nutrition, adaptogens, nervines, and remedies for stress, sleep, and resilience, community and support for your own herbal journey. This space is for you if you want to take control of your health with natural solutions. Learn how to make tinctures, teas, salves, soaps, and skincare from plants. Build a strong foundation of herbal knowledge for yourself, your family, or even your own business. Connect with a supportive global community of people who believe in natural healing. As a member, you'll gain access to exclusive lessons, behind-the-scenes insights, and my personal guidance. Everything is online, so you can learn at your own pace, and together we will explore the healing power of herbs. Would you like to be part of something bigger and at the same time gain knowledge that can change your life and the lives of others? Click to join, and let's begin this journey together. Through the Herbona avatar, I look forward to walking with you and helping you realize your dreams with herbs, nature, and community as your foundation.